Alrighty, so on the bench today, something a little bit different. I haven't done on the channel before. Something small scale, 1/16. This is a crawler. It comes from WPL. The real WPL. There are some copies of this online. I guess, I haven't seen them. Reports are the quality is pretty much on par. But delivery wise, you might get something in a good nick, or you might get something damaged. So, these things look pretty cool. It's a high speed series. I think it's HS16, I think they call it, or something like that. C14 this is. So it's a single cab, short bed, ready to run, 2.4 gigahertz digital radio. There's a bit of info here. Your on-off switch, your adjustment on the steering. It's got shock absorbers, which is awesome, 4-wheel drive. Comes with a transmitter. It says it's a 4-channel. So forward, back, reverse, side to side, left and right, all the good stuff. I think all we need, comes with a battery, comes with a charger. All you need is AA's, I reckon, the transmitter. Let's see if we can open it up. Oh, forgot to cut the tape. Let's do that. Awesome, prepared. Alright. As you can tell, it's my first unboxing of this thing. That looks pretty cool. So, there's the car. There's the transmitter. Let's open him up. Oh, tape on there too. There we go. Alright, open him up. Comes with instructions, obviously. We probably don't need those where we're going. Watch me say that and then need to read them. Alright, so tell you what, this thing's got a bit of weight for something so small. Good. I don't know if it's top heavy or not, but it seems like it might be pretty good for a bit of a in-house off-road crawler. Getting popular, I guess, with all the lockdowns going on. Can't really get out. In a lockdown, out of lockdown here in Melbourne. So, something like this is actually really cool because you can play with it out in the backyard, you can play with it inside, and yeah, a bit of fun. So, tyre feels pretty hard. Yeah, got a bit of flex on it. It's definitely got a lot of flex in the shocks. Don't think, I've seen some other reviews, I don't think they're oil filled. Looks like just a little 180 brushed motor. Looks like a lot of gear reduction. It's hard to get moving, which is good. Means we can have a slow, steady crawl. So it looks like a bag of little, tow hooks, recovery points. It's like a little screwdriver, wipers. So it's got all the little bits and pieces for the car. I was thinking they might have got the battery, but battery is just in there. Let's try and get him out. Yep, so it's a little, is this a LiPo? No, that's not a LiPo. 500 milliamps, 7.4 volts. So only comes with the one battery. Just comes with a little USB charger. So it's pretty cool. and our little remote. So got steering trim, on off, go brake and turn. So pretty basic, but you know, for what these things are worth, I think they're worth about $70 odd here in Australia. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. Shocks seem a bit loose, so I think we'll go over, tighten everything up, charge the battery, get the little dress up bits on, and give it its first run indoors. Stay tuned.